Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel, Jules Craft Room. This is the Crafty Catch Up episode 7. So quite a few things to talk to you about, so I do hope I don't forget. I have written them down, so I have to put my glasses on and look down there if I forget. Right, the first thing was I made this, started doing this hat, and it's the basic knit family ribbed hat, and I did a tutorial on it, and I'll put a link up here or a card and you can see the tutorial. But that is the little hat, and it's perfect. I did the size for 2 to 4, so it's perfect for one of my grandchildren. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do one of these little pom-poms on it or not, but yeah, that is the finished hat as done in the tutorial, and it was really easy, and it come up in like a couple of hours. So definitely a great pattern, and it was just using cheap super chunky yarn that I got from one of the pound shops. I got 3 balls for £2 I think, 50-gram balls. But yeah, I think I used 1.5 balls, so still got plenty. So yes, lovely little hat. So the other thing to talk to you about was, let me look at my
I'm
phone.
here to help. Get to know Siri at apple.com.
Oh, it's my phone talking to me. Right, yes, I have ordered my granddaughter, Elle, who's 2. She was watching, her mum said she was watching someone on YouTube, a little girl who was supposedly making herself an Elsa dress. And my granddaughter turned around to her mum and said, Nanny Chicken, make me one. And she calls me Nanny Chicken because I got chickens, so that's how she distinguished between the 2 nannies. And she knows I make her lots of stuff, so she said, Nanny Chicken, make me one. So it's her birthday in, I think it's in 3 weeks. And I thought, yes, I can do that for her. So I hunted down and I found this pattern called Once Upon a Time pattern, PDF pattern, and I found it on Etsy, and I think I paid $8, something like that, which is like £6. Yes, and I downloaded. And the beauty about it is that it has all these different ways you can set the pattern up. So there's all these different bodices, all the different skirts, collars, extras, sleeves, these extra frills to make it a different style. Obviously I want this one, so I'm going to do this one because it's going to be an Elsa dress. But there are so many different, if I can find the picture. Came in. There's a lot of pages. That's the only thing about it. There's a lot of pages of pattern here. But I could print off just the ones I wanted, because as you can see, there are so many different styles. So if you're looking for a pattern that you can adapt and do all these different styles, this is the one to go for. Even down to a mermaid one, see? So yes, so lovely pattern. So I printed it off, and then I went about ordering the fabric, and it took forever and a day to come. 2 of the fabrics from Etsy took over a week, and of course I am on a tight schedule, so that was rather annoying. But they finally came, and what I'm thinking, I don't know for definite, but what I'm thinking, I've got this lovely fat quarter, and it's a sort of a, it's got a bit of stretch in it, so I'm feeling it will be okay for the bodice. I'm thinking of doing that in the bodice, so that'll be the bodice of the dress. Then I've got this blue satin, which will be the skirt. So there you can see the shiny blue satin, and that'll be the skirt. And then I've got this tulle, which has got like snowflakes on it, you see, and that is going to be the cape and across the chest here and the sleeves. So if I show you the pattern again, you can see. So it's going to be the sleeves, tulle at the back and across the front, the chest. And then the fat quarter will be the bodice bit there. And then I'm having the satin down here. So I'm hoping it'll all go together, and that I need to start. So as soon as possible. Like I say, 2 of them only arrived today. That's a good 8 days since I purchased them. The other thing that came was these. I got these from Amazon, and I think I paid £5 for all these. I know they're probably quite cheap, the cottons, but I thought at least it gives me such a colour range. It's handy to have lots of different colours, even if you're doing a bit of hand sewing. So yeah, so that was good. I also, which I did a tutorial of, and I'll put up there in a minute, I made Luna her cape. So here's my Luna, and here's her red cape, and it went really well, and I'm so pleased with it. And now I want to make some for the granddaughters for their Lunas, but that'll have to wait because I need to get on and do this Elsa dress for Elle's birthday. But yes, really chuffed, and I did a tutorial on that as well, and I'll put the link up there. I've still got a tickly throat from when I had my cold. But yes, that went really well. And it's got lovely lining in there as well. And the hood. And it's got holes in the ears for the hood, as well as for the holes in the hood for the ears, as well as the holes in the cape for the arms. But yeah, she looks gorgeous, doesn't she? So I was really chuffed with that. The other thing was I got some happy mail. I got the spotty bag, and that came with the fabrics and templates to do RS&T, and also a free pattern to do these bits and pieces. But I haven't got round. I haven't done any of this since before Christmas, so I really do need to get on. There was a sweet in there as well, which I'm going to have a taste. The other thing, my daughter-in-law has subscribed to the Crochet Society Box for me for the next 6 months as a Christmas present, and this was box 33 that came, and I did an unboxing video. But if you haven't seen it, it's got a few things in there. Just quickly, that's the yarn. Lovely mug, and beautiful hook, and I think it was stitch marker. Yeah, so very pleased with those. So, and last but not least, I have finished the main part of the cross stitch, dinosaur cross stitch. So I finished that this afternoon while my grandson was sleeping, because I was looking after him while he was having a nap. I finished it off. So I finished that off. I've now got to do the outline in black that goes round it, and the eyes and things like that. So I've got to do that. And then I'm going to put it onto a cushion. So it's not completely completed yet, but the main part of the cross stitch is now finished. So that's good, because that was dragging on. I've been doing that for nearly 2 years. So that needed to be done. Right, I just thought I'd come on quickly and talk about World Book Day that was today on Thursday. And here's my grandson with his dinosaur outfit and his dinosaur book, looking rather chuffed with himself. And then here's Elle, my granddaughter, with her Gascon that I crocheted, and the ladybird's fleece that I made her. And here's Sienna with her hungry caterpillar outfit, which her mum put together for her. So they're all very excited about today. So yes, I think that's about it. So I just thought I'd come on and tell you what I'm up to. But haven't really had a chance to do that much because I've been looking after my grandson every day, and I think I've got him every day next week as well. So it does make it a bit more difficult. But yeah, but thanks for watching. and hopefully when I see you next week I'll have done more things. Bye for now.